represent a model of rainwater harvesting. The process. Good morning, sir. Myself Lekashri. Myself Shashra. From 8th standard, today we are going to represent a working model of rainwater harvesting. The process of storing and collecting clear water from the rain is known as rainwater harvesting. When it rains, the rainwater is collected in the rainwater collector, then it goes to the filter, and after filtering, the clear water comes into the well. We are also going to represent a maths model of maths cube numbers. So, what is a cube number? When a number is multiplied 3 times is known as a cube number. Example, 4 square. When we multiply 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4 is 64. So we can say that 4 cube is 64. Here we are going to represent 1 to 10 cubes. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, 9 cube is 729 and 10 cube is 1000. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Shalini Ajit from 8th standard. Today I am here to give an explanation on acid and base. We all know that lime juice is acid because it tastes soap, and baking soda is a base because it tastes bitter. For example, soap, floor cleaner, etc. No, it is not safe to taste every substance whether they are acidic or base. Drop to check whether they are acidic or base. It's greatly done with the help of turmeric indicators. Here I am taking floor cleaner solution, vinegar, sugar solution, soap solution, lime juice and salt solution. With the help of these indicators, I am going to test whether they are acidic or base. Among all the indicators which we have dipped in floor cleaner solution and soap solution have turned into red. This indicates that they are base. Among all the indicators which we have dipped in vinegar and salt solution did not change their color. This indicates that they are acids. Lime juice and sugar solution are neutral. The indicators which we have dipped in neutral and acidic did not change their color. So by this we can understand which is acidic, neutral and base. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself is to explain about circulation in bobbin and thread. A bobbin is a part of a machine that works in a stitches and leaves the thread to be the wounded. The machine makes the stitch and catching the thread with bobbins and roll. When machine rotates the bobbin.
Good morning, sir. This is Kagan from 10th standard. Today I am going to explain that how does fire alarm works. The fire alarm electronic sounder or a bell. With the help of this alarm, we can give awareness for the people that is a fire in the building. This is the starter because when we burn the starter power will go for battery and battery will power for buzzer. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Tarun and is my partner. Myself Rohit. I am studying 10th standard. Today I am going to explain you free energy with DC motor. The DC motor goes from this method and the light goes from DC motor. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Sailesh from Textile. I am going to explain puzzle wire game. Puzzle wire game is a challenging and competitive game. The object of the game is to move carefully the handle loop without touching the handle loop. If we touch the handle loop, we hear a buzzer sound. Without touching, we have to move the buzzer till the end. This is called puzzle wire game. Thank you.
Myself also from 9th standard. I am going to say about room heater. Room heater are used to heat a small space and normally kept in a wall. Room heater are used by electricity or gas. Room heater are used to get a neat atmosphere. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Saviour from 9th standard. I am here to explain about an air compressor. An air compressor is a pneumatic device which converts a potential energy and store the pressurized air. An air compressor can see as a tool, equipment and generate. It is used for spray painting, paintball and cooling engines. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Abhisaman from class 9 going to talk about a periscope. A periscope is an optical instrument that uses a system of prism, lens or mirror to reflect an object through a tube. Light from a distant object strikes the top mirror and is then reflected at an angle of 90 degrees down the periscope tube. Users used in submarines to see what is going on the water surface, also used to observe fences during World War I and also used in armed vehicles. Thank you.
Today I am going to explain about crane. A crane is a machine that can help us to lift a heavy thing to in a horizontal way, which helps us to move one place to another place. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself and my partner explain motion. We are going to explain few words about types of motion. Motion is change with time of the position of the body according to the time, according to the nature of the movement. Motion is classified into 4 types as follows: linear motion, periodic motion, rotational motion and circular motion. Here are some examples. Linear motion, rolling of bicycle on ground. Periodic motion, rotating of fan. Rotational motion, rolling of motion by satellites around planets. Circular motion, motion of giant whales. Thank you.
Sangeeta, my partner Geeta. From 9th standard, we are going to explain about types of triangle. There are 2 types of triangle. Classification of triangle in based on angles. Types of triangles based on size. Acute angle. Acute angle. A triangle in which the angle is an acute or is called acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle in which any one side is obtuse is called obtuse angle triangle. Right angle. A triangle in which any one is right angle is called right angle triangle.
Types of based on size. Equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. Scaling triangle, all sides are different in length. Thank you.
Human respiratory system. The respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that help you to breathe, and it includes airways, lungs and blood vessels. These parts work together to move oxygen throughout the body and clean waste gases like carbon dioxide. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Jamila Banu. I am from class 5. Today I am going to explain few words about landforms. Landforms are features on Earth's surface that make up the terrain, such as mountains, valleys, plains or plateaus. They also include coastal features such as peninsula or bays, and underwater features such as ocean basins and mid-ocean ridges. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Ragvi from class 7. Today, my topic is on water density. Firstly, I have taken 2 beakers and filled the water in it. Now, let's insert the lemon in the beaker and see what happens. We can see that the lemon is sunk in the water. Now, let's add some salt in the next beaker and mix well until it gets dissolved with the water. We can see that the salt is dissolved with the water. Now let's insert the lemon in the water. We can see that the lemon floats in the water. This is called as water density. Thank you, sir.
Myself Muskan from Standard 7. Today my topic is to tell about filtration of water. First I have took a muddy water in a glass which is known as condensation. The mud has settled down at the bottom of a glass. When I pour it without disturbing the mud particles, it is known as decantation, but still the muddy particles are appeared in the glass, so we will take a tissue paper and a funnel to filter it. When we slowly pour the water into the glass, we can see the filter water is coming down and the dirty particles are settled at the top. Thank you.
Myself Madiha Fatima from 7th standard. My topic is human digestive system. Before explaining, I just want to tell digestive part of a human. This is a buccal cavity which is present inside our mouth, and this is a salivary gland, and this is esophagus, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, anus, pancreas, stomach. These all are the digestive parts of a human. Now I am going to say how our food digests in the body. Buccal cavity is present inside our mouth. Salivary gland help us to chew the food. Esophagus is also called a food pipe. It goes to our stomach where our food digests in our stomach, and it goes to our intestine where our intestine absorbs the nutrients. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sanjeev from 7th standard. I am going to say about types of angles. Definition of an angle. An angle is found when two straight lines or rays are bound in meet at a common endpoint. Types of angles. An angle which measures 0 degree is called zero angle. An angle which measures less than 90 is called acute angle. An angle which measures 90 degree is called right angle. An angle which measures more than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. An angle which measures 180 degree is called straight angle. An angle which measures 360 degree is called complete angle. Thank you.
Morning, sir. My name is Tanush. I am from 7th standard. I will show you how the blood circulates. I will explain you about the circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carries away from and towards the heart. The arteries carries the blood away from the heart, and the veins carries the blood back to the heart. The circulatory system carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones to cell, and removes waste produced like carbon dioxide. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Muzamil from 6th standard and my partner. Today I am going to tell about Qutub Minar. It is the highest tower in India. The Qutub Minar is towering 73 meters high tower built by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1193.
The tower was built to celebrate Muslim devotion in early times.
Myself Sinsan. Good morning, sir. Myself Sinsan from 6th standard. I am telling about farmer. Farmer is a worker in doing in farm. Other farmers keep cow to sell their milk. Farmers grow vegetables, fruits, grains, and animals for egg, milk, and meat. Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. Myself Pratisha from 2nd standard. I am going to explain about the types of houses. This is a kacha house. This is a pakka house. This is a tent house. This is a stilt house. This is a houseboat. This is a caravan house. This is an apartment. This is a igloo. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Serafina from first standard. This is my model of a pakka house, and it is built with cement, stone, bricks and sand. We can find pakka houses in cities. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Sutya Karanna from class 5th. I have made this model of Red Fort. Red Fort is a monument built in 1648 that rises 33 meters, 108 feet above Old Delhi. It is built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It is made up of red stones and marbles. It is built on right bank of Yamuna River. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Anjali. She is my partner. Tina. We are studying in 7th standard model of a lighthouse. Lighthouse is a tall building. It has light near the top. Lighthouse is built on the coast of an ocean. The lighthouse protects ships from crashing into the shore. The light usually turns in a circle so that the ships see a flashing light. The lens enables the light to travel a far distance. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Anushka from 6th standard. I am going to explain about light traveling in a straight line and getting reflection from a mirror. Light traveling in a straight line can be observed by keeping an object in the path of the light in the atmosphere, which is traveling in a straight line and getting reflection from a mirror. Light emerges from the torch, train and lamps. It always travels.
It gets reflection
from a mirror. Light gets reflection from a mirror. It train, torch and lamps. It always travel in a straight line. Thank you.
Myself Shilata from 6th standard. I am going to explain about water dispenser. Water dispenser is a useful device that we can easily make in our house. In water dispenser, the main concept is pressure and gravity. Normally, Earth gravity value is 9.807 meter per second square. It is essential to drink purified water to keep our body healthy and hydrated. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sridevi from class 6. I am going to explain about testing for starch. Here I have taken two vegetables, one is tomato and potato. Here I have taken iodine solution and putting this iodine solution in this tomato. In this two vegetable, which vegetable will turn into blue and black color? That vegetable will contain starch. Thank you.
This is my model of post boxes are found in post office. We drop all our letters or greeting cards in the post box. It is then collected and sent to the different place. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Rashmi. I am from 3rd standard. This is an aquarium. An aquarium is a mainly used to keep fish. An aquarium has at least one transparent set. Here is 3 transparent sets. Plants, shells, turtles, and artificial decorative items are also kept in an aquarium along with fish. An aquarium is typically constructed with glass. A typical aquarium includes a filtration system, an air diffuser, lighting system and a hood, etc. Thank you. Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi. Airport is a place where aircraft can land and take off. Airport is also called as air terminal, airfield or aerodrome. In an airport there is flight which move from one city to another city called domestic flight. Flight which is moved from foreign countries called international flight. Thank you.
Myself,
represent you the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometry means the three-side measurement. What is the use of trigonometry in our daily life? Trigonometry is used to set directions such as north, south, east and west. You can see what direction to take and compass to get out a straight direction.
Sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 is equal to 1. Today I am going to explain about hydraulic lift. Hydraulic lift is a device for moving object using force created by pressure on a liquid inside the cylinder that move piston upwards.
And this is the representation of the relationship between the volume of cone and the cylinder. The volume of cone is equal to 1 by root 3 pi r square. The volume of cylinder is equal to root pi r square h. Three times volume of cylinder is equal to volume of 3 times volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder.
Sir, my name is Saviour from grade 7. Today I am going to talk about lava lamp. Materials used for lava lamp are vinegar, baking soda, vegetable oil, food color. The bionomical of the soda react with the vinegar in water, producing carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is less than both water in mixture with oil. So it rises up to both. Thank you.
Myself, Lighthouses from high school 8th standard. Today we are going to explain about agriculture land, electricity and waterfalls.
I am going to explain about agriculture land. Agriculture land is defined as area that is produced as under permanent crops or under permanent pasties.
I am going to explain about electricity. It will use to village from spinning the sun.
I am going to explain about waterfalls. Waterfalls is just like a river which flows from steps, and it has been founded by erosion. Thank you.
I am studying in 7th standard. Is my partner Dheeraj Gowda. I am explaining about the design light. The design light is the materials used to stones, water, oil. The oil will be not mixed with water, so the light will be fiery, and you can burn the light. Thank you.
Myself, Sarita from 6th standard. I am going to explain about fish aquarium. The fish tank is an aquarium of any size, having at least one transparent size to keep the aquatic animal. Some key tips to keep a healthy aquarium. Use properly conditioned water. Make sure water temperature is right. May change the water regularly. Accumulate the fish to the water. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Abu Talha from grade 7, and today I have created a model of human teeth. So we have 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Firstly, the incisor. We have 4 of them on the front, and then we have canine. 2 of them are next to the incisors, and then we have the premolars and molars. We have 8 of them, 4 on each side. And in total we have 32 teams, but to demonstrate I have created some of them, which is 16. Thank you.
This is Nila and she's my friend Navya and Nila. We are going to explain about our model computer. Computer is an electronic machine which is used in medical places like office, companies, hospitals, railway stations and other things. And computer are used in variable things like office, hospitals, railway stations and other places.
I am going to say about the parts of the computer: monitor, speaker, mouse, and keyboard. And good morning, my friend Claudia. I am my Rota. We are going to explain about algebra or algebraic expression.
A conventional or constant variable connected by the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We are going to say identities. A plus b whole square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A minus b whole square.
A square minus b 2ab plus b square.
A square minus b square.
A plus b, a minus b.
X plus a, x plus b.
X square plus b to a plus b, so x plus ab.
A plus b plus c whole square.
A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ab.
A plus b whole cube.
A cube plus b cube plus 3ab.
A minus b whole cube.
A cube minus b cube minus 3ab. Thank you.